Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share of some binder mail that I made for Stephanie, which is Sweet Crafty Girl. I'll have her link down below so you guys can definitely go check her out. I have a previous video showcasing what she sent me for our swap, so I want to show you guys the binder mail, and then there'll be another video showing you guys how I set up her box. But this is what I created for her, and I used one of the binders from Dollar Tree in yellow. I put her name on the binder, on the binding part. I used some fabric from a roll of ribbon that I had gotten from a sale from Michael's quite some time ago. And I used some mint green thickers. And this is what the cover looks like. It's a tool shaker, and then I put inside, I stitched on the paper my book of treats, and then just decorated it with some butterflies, some flowers, a little rosette here, little pieces of the collection. I wanted to keep the cover simple, not so overwhelming. I tied it with another piece of ribbon from the same rolls of Michael's that I bought I think it's like a year or two back. When we open up the book, this is what it looks like. I'm trying to stay in frame. So she had gifted me some treat bags, and I wanted to do the same for her. So I gave her some of the treat bags that I have in my stash. And then she's got like a little face mask right here. This is what the book looks like in the inside. I did some of the little cutter parts, a cute little butterfly. I matted this has pockets, but I matted the pockets and then just decorated them a little bit. I put the little mask in here, and then her treat bags in here with some little trim pieces just to make it look pretty. I love the way that looks when you like add some trim to the clips. I think it looks so cute. And then here's like a little cover page that I decorated with some of the ephemera pieces and the thickers. I used some polka dot vellum, little Maggie Holmes doily. So that's the little cover page. And then I have this little page right here where I made a sequence mix, excuse me, a sequence mix for her, which I'll show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Super pretty. I know she loves the colors. She made me one similar, except hers had like a coral color in it. So I gave her some more little pieces of trim on this cute little mint green clip. I put it inside of a vellum envelope. And then this little rosette with a little birdie from the collection. I did some gold foiling on the edges right here. And then it starts her little embellishments. I put them in protective sleeves, and then I kind of like named them on the top with some thickers. So here she has 2 bag toppers. And then there's like the little sequence mix in the inside. In here, she just has a few tags that I gifted her. And then we have, oops, let me bring it down this way. In this one, I made her some of these bows that I had. I think they're from Alina Crafts. So I made her some bows. And then in here, she's got some little wood veneers that she can use when she's creating some projects. I decorated like this little brown envelope. Oh, I feel like I have to sneeze. You guys, I don't feel well at all. And then we have these little butterfly bows, also from Alina Crafts, that I made her with some gold paper and some vellum paper. And then I put this cute little pom-pom clip on the top. Oops, is that there? Oh, it's in the pom-pom. And then on this one, I made her these cute little coins, and it has like little wax seals. I think they look so cute. And then she's got some little flowers, also made, everything is made out with the Maggie Holmes Heritage paper. And then here we have just the ending sheet that I did the vellum as well. I gifted her some goodies in here. And this is what the back of the book looks like. Super cute. I love how it turned out. This is some little goodies for her. I think it turned out super cute. And then we tie it up right here. Because if she's like me, she doesn't take anything out. I saved everything just as is. I don't like to tear apart my stuff. But yeah, you guys, this is the embellishment book or binder mail that I created for Stephanie. Stay tuned for the video where I'm packaging up her goodies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry if my mood sounds a little low, but I really don't feel well. And I'm just trying to get these videos out because this package needs to go out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.